Welcome to the food and wine capital of South Africa, my beautiful motherland. Welcome to Franschhoek. Sanbonani ninjani. Hey, nazanabaje. I'm joking. By the way, my name is Pingindombela Intombi Zulu. Brought to you by Beyond Africa Safaris. Today, you will join me as I go on an adventure of a wine tram. So shall we go together? Join me, hey? If you love wine, you love things tasty. Because wine tasting is all about taste palates. So, I'm making my way to a wine tram. I've decided that I'm gonna stop here because I want to spice it up. Right here is a motor museum of Franschhoek. So, because I love beautiful things and I love beautiful cars, my name is Pingindombela Intombi Zulu. Brought to you by Beyond Africa Safaris. Let's go and make our way to a wine tram, shall we? As posing, Patama glasses pose. I'm kidding, guys, we're not drinking yet, but we will be drinking. So my name is Pingindombela Intombi Zulu, bringing this tour to you from Beyond Africa Safaris. So today I will be taking you on a tour of a wine tram. I heard that there's different kinds of tours that they do, but I chose the red tour wine tram. So today we will be exploring the red route. So come with me as we explore this route together. If you want to know what it's about, your guides will let you know. So for now, let's go. We are on a wine tram tour and we are inside, as you can see. And today we are going to explore the red line route. So come with me as we explore this route together. Let's see what it has to offer, right? Our first stop. Welcome to the Franschhoek Cellar. You are with me, your girl, Pingindombela. Remember, we are still on a wine tram. Yeah, I'm so thirsty, guys. I feel like so we are here now. Our next stop, Grande Provence. So my guide has just informed me that over here is where the best Cabernet Sauvignon is crafted. So I'm going there because I want to sample it myself. So shall you please come with me, hey?
So welcome to Grande Provence. My name is Jessie. I'll be conducting your tasting. The first wine that I poured, that's our 2022 Sauvignon Blanc, 13% alcohol. And our Sauvignon Blanc was in the stainless steel tank for 6 months. So you can pick up some ripe fig and some green pepper in our Sauvignon Blanc. And this can be paired with white dishes like some of the cheeses, chicken, fish, or even salad.
Okay.
Enjoy your first one.
Thank you.
And which one was your favorite? The Sauvignon Blanc or the
Sauvignon Blanc.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
So the Sauvignon Blanc is going for 110 a bottle. Then the Chenin is going for 95 rand a bottle.
Okay.
So we are moving to the red wines. And the first wine on the red, that's our 2019 Merlot, 13.5 alcohol. That's a medium bodied red wine. And this was in the Franschhoek barrel for 21 months. You can pick up some ripe cherries, some red berries, and also some earthiness in it. And this can be paired with red-made dishes. It's also soft, smooth, and easy drinking. The second one, that's our 2022 Chenin Blanc, 13.5 alcohol. And Chenin Blanc is the most planted grape variety in South Africa. And here at Grande Provence, we use Chenin mostly on our blends. So you can pick up some peach flavor and some pineapple flavor in our Chenin. And this can be paired with seafood dishes or curry dishes. It's nice and fruity on the nose. And our Chenin was 85% in the stainless steel tank and 15% in the French oak barrel. So it's slightly off. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Then we are moving to the last one.
Okay.
Which is my favorite. That's our 2019 Cabernet Sauvignon, 13.5 alcohol. That's a full-bodied red wine. And this was in the French oak barrel for 18 months. You can pick up some mint flavor and some blackcurrant flavors in it. And this can be paired with red meat dishes, like when enjoying your lamb or steak. You can just enjoy with a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon. Enjoy your tasting.
Thank you. I just feel like I had a taste of heaven. The views of this magnificent place make me feel like I want to relocate here. But oh well, it's all good because my journey and yours has not ended yet. We are moving on to the Rickety Bridge, so let's go together. My amazing people, South Africa is a beautiful country. Just look around me. The beauty of the mountains, the valleys, everything is just amazingly beautiful, and the sun is out to play. So we are still on a tour of a wine tram. Our next stop, Rickety Bridge Winery. So you will come with me as we go and sample the best Pinotage crafted here. Shall we? Yo, hi guys, so you are still with me, Pink Ntombela, of course in Zulu, and I'm still enjoying my wine tasting tour. I just got off a wine tram and now I'm moving on a tractor. So I'm moving from Rickety Bridge, so I'm gonna go to my new location. Join me. Hey, let's go together. Oh wow, guys, my guide has just told me that from here we are making our way to Haute Cabriere, and over there we're gonna have a bottle of bubbly we are going to open with the sword. Guys, where have you ever seen something like that before? I can't wait for that. I hope you will join me as well. So shall we? Let's go. Oh wow, oh wow, guys, this place is amazing. The enchanting Haute Cabriere. I can't wait to get there. So my guide is still parking the car and he asked me to wait for him. Oh well, I'm sorry I can't wait for him because I'm starving. And by the way, so I'm running ahead of him, he will have to meet me there. By the way, when it's your turn, hey, don't break the rules. Sorry guys, I didn't realize I'm live. So Pagats in. By the way, my name is Pink Ntombela. Intombi. Yale, Richards Bay, KwaZulu. Look around me. Oh my God. This place is so amazingly beautiful. Do you see where it is? It's nested in the middle of the beautiful mountains, amazingly beautiful valleys. Oh my God, the breeze. I can just feel the air in this place. It's so calming. It has that calming sensation. By the way, guys, welcome to the enchanting Haute Cabriere. So you are with me, Upingi Ndombela in Ntombi Yomzulu. So where else do you want to be if not in South Africa? We are right here in Franschhoek. You can do anything you want, anything you put your mind to. You can come and explore this amazing town. Right here, you can have your wedding. Right here, you can have your honeymoon. Right here, you can take out your friends and families on vacation. So please, right here on the website below, Beyond Africa Safaris, we can make it possible for you and you and you. While in France, they call it the champagne. Right here in South Africa, we call it the MCC Method Cape Classic. You are still with me, your girl, Upingi Ndombela in Ntombi Yomzulu. We are still in the middle of the valleys in this beautiful Haute Cabriere. We just enjoyed one of their best MCCs. So right now, we are making our way back home to Cape Town, where we are coming from. And if you like to have this kind of an explorer with us and have fun tasting the wines, please book your tour with us right here on the website Beyond Africa Safaris. Make sure if you like this experience, let us start planning now, hey? And please share this video with your friends and families, and don't forget, subscribe, hey? Subscribe. It's me again, hey? I'm gone.